Dude, this is the second bando. Dude, this building's been fucking condemned for years. It's just too cold. They're starting little fires. Keep warm. Yeah. I also don't know why they're. I don't know why they're. I wouldn't stand on that fucking thing, dude.
Oh,
that's all wood.
it's not concrete?
Yeah, but it's wood on top of it. Oh shit! Oh, I would have did have that happen, bro.
Hey, this is how you catch pneumonia right
Fuck
here.
yeah.
For real.
Yeah, I do in the car. He's on the other side with them. Yeah.
Where was he, inside?
Right at the doorstep, trying to come out. They're searching now because he's got a collar, so they're worried about there's people being inside. They're searching. Breathing all types of good shit. Oh, no, I'm good. Huh, man, I did this for a living.
Oh, yeah?
Fire? 4 years, dude. Yeah.
You learn something new every day.
Yep. We looked at the dog, we're like, that motherfucker's moving.
Yeah.
He was like, yo, that's sketchy. I was like, yeah, dude.
That's sketchy because I was thinking someone's going to come out of that
Yeah.
house. So like, dude, I'll cover you. You know what? Soeldner called me today too, bro.
Really?
She would know what to do with it. They have an animal emergency shelter.
Yeah.
That you can take. You got any water? I got some. Yeah. I'm about to call her though. See if I can.
Yeah, see what she says. Yep. Yeah, I honestly think someone's up there because of where his feet were. He was facing inside still, which means he was trying to get out but go get his owner. I really think there might be somebody in there. Me? What? I'm not gonna let it fucking burn to death.
There you go. Rodriguez is in addition. Where is Rodriguez? There you go.
Dude, when I was walking towards the back of Rodriguez, I was looking at the roof. Dude, this shit was billowing out of the roof. I'm like, this fucker's gone. The structure's gone.
I have a body water.
It's sugar.
No,
Yeah, they'll drink it.
Oh.
It's sugarware. It's fine. Hey, you fucker, you all right? You probably feel like shit. That's for damn sure.
It's hard. Animal control? We raise animal control?
Actually, what's his name? Holloway's on the phone with what's her name?
Oh,
SPO Soeldner.
Soeldner. Yeah.
Is she working now?
I don't know.
She'll come out for a dog.
Yeah, he's letting some stuff out.
Soeldner says she's en route. Y'all might want to move out. Y'all know y'all in the thick of the smoke, right?
Yeah, so I'm saying we probably move. It's good on that side.
Like standing out there with like,
Go over there.
She's
You got it?
out right now.
Yeah.
Good. He's not that heavy.
Fucking bite me.
He's not gonna bite you. He motherfucker was cool as shit. Oh, he's pissing on you.
Dog's pissed on my face.
You're right. We'll get you cleaned up.
That's the motherfucker right there with the bed. Oh my God.
It's just dog piss, dude. It's not human piss.
J piss. Cream Pie City.
You
Got the key?
Okay.
Coming? Oh, Soeldner loves.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I know.
She ain't gonna play.
She's like, yo, I'm en route right now. You know, she tried to class at the academy, and she was like so fast.
Are those a threat?
No, right now they are.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that her dog? They was taking pictures of him right when he got pissed. Oh, that's they were recording front page like this.
Oh, fuck yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
There we go.
You just found him sitting outside the door?
It was in the doorway looking back at the apartment.
He was probably trying to go.
He's trying to go back in, that's what I'm saying. But all I saw was his feet twitching.
Oh, thank you.
I saw his feet twitching, and I'm like, motherfucker, he's still alive.
You got piss on your head?
Yeah, he pissed on his face.
There you go, dog. Look at that. You be good.
You feel a little fucked up, don't you? Yeah.
Yo, wait. What about the girl just straight high up the crack?
The what?
The girl just straight high up the crack.
Yeah. He's like, fuck.
I'm fucking up my balls. He wasn't even in the fire. He wasn't even in the fire. Hey. I see some shit smoking. I thought it was a dope farm. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, wait. How about you guys?
Straight.
He's
Straight. Yeah, your unit's still there, man.
about to go in there. Information and everything. The reason why I like being confident. That shit's still going, boy.
Yeah, that shit cooking. That's gonna take a minute. That shit going. Wow, bro.
Whose car is closest with a cage?
Close to a cage?
Cage, yeah.
My car right there.
You want to throw him in the back of the car?
Yeah, mine or Samson, one of them.
Come on. Can you get up? Can you get up? No? Too tired?
Pick him up. He is now.
That's the man pick up Sam around the dog. He in the house up there?
They stay together. He lives right here in this house.
That's his dog.
Nah, bro.
And
Good dog too, right there.
yeah.
That's a good dog. You be with that man every morning picking up Cam, man.
You know who does it?
I don't know his name, but I see him every day. He's a little homeless guy here. That dog over every day. All day you see that dog. He ain't in the apartment, is he?
That's what I'm saying.
Everywhere that man go, that dog be with him. So I don't know where he at, cause that dog be with him.
I hope you ain't in there.
Well, I sent them in the door where I found them.
Poor dog, bro. Dude.
Oh, Joe, it's Jay Boone.
Yo, he's facing in the door.
A heart under all that sexy muscle.
I know. But that dude, when he was facing in the door, Rodriguez was even like, "Yo, someone might be in there, bro."
Yeah, it's probably somebody.
I can't believe the dog pissed in my face.
It's okay, dude. There's a first for
I
everything.
drank worse. That is hilarious, though. That is kind of funny.
Right on my face. I'm just glad it didn't get on my uniform.
Oh, it did. It got on your sweater.
For real? You're a liar.
Hi. Yo. So, Officer, I'm on January or what? I didn't ask. What? You go get it for that. Save a dog. I mean, you could. Listen, you want to really get it? Take a dog to Papa
Pizza.
John's.
Get the dog pizza. Yo, this is the second dog I had to deal with in the last 2 weeks, bro.
Really? Like, saved?
Well, no, the other one ran into somebody's apartment on cells.
On my beat?
Yeah.
Oh, speaking of which, I got dog food in my car. I got to bring some.
Yo, I didn't even realize it pissed on my face until you said, yo, the dog's pissing in your face.
Yeah.
And I was like, then I felt this warm
Sensation.
running down my fucking cheek.
What did they live here?
Yeah.
You making them nervous. It's like you're 16 again.
Wait, but you clear camera. I gotta ask you.
That's all I gotta do to set off.